Wabire nagamba n'abantu ahakihure eki omuri Kavure Makerere Oboth agizire ngu nayendagarira ishengero mu mbeera yaryo ey'obuteeka arikuheereza za committees obushoborozi n'amaani okugira ngu zikore emirimo yazo gye.
Zero tolerance to corruption. I have no money to recover because I didn't spend any.
He did not spend any money, so he is not really struggling.
The first thing I have done is that the money that was being in the office of the Speaker, 24-point-something billion, we are resetting it back. That money is going to the committee.
Oboth nayengira hamisiriza ku ishengero naryo ryino kuba riri ery'obujunaanizibwa okugira ngu rigire amaani ag'okusindikiriza abakozi ba gavumenti okukora emyoga yabo.
Parliament is the only place where accountability makes sense. And it starts with us. That was my pledge. We cannot hold other people accountable if we are not accountable ourselves. So members of Parliament, I want your support. These people here, they go back and a cow earning 12 million now. You make them steal from the to come and please you.
Speaker Oboth ayerekera okukwatwaho hamwe n'obutashemererwa ahabw'okukyererwa kumaliriza okwombeka ebyombeko bya paramenti kandi obwe sente ziriho.
We are looking at the construction of that chamber. Right, Honorable, you saw people. Many people wanted to congratulate you and speak in your motion. Some MPs of NRM were in the gallery. A chamber taking from 2014 to date, unless you are building something else, but not that small parliament.
We enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Robin Nabanja hasimire President Yoweri Museveni ahabw'okumwesiga akongera akamuha obwenganzi y'ihanga.
I'm here basically to thank God and to thank the President. Munyegaito tusime muzeyi. Join me to thank the President for the trust and confidence in us, the people of Bunyoro, in me as an individual.
I've gotten back, my office will have 3.9 billion for donation from 24. So when you come to me, I will send you the money has gone to the committee. The chief donor of government, the chief donor remains the president of Uganda. So all of you need help. Write to President Museveni.
Orukura Bunyoro Parliamentary Caucus Dr. Emily Kugonza okiikirire abanyeshengero ba Bunyoro ahakihure eki nabasimire President Museveni ahabw'okwongera kutora na Right Honorable Robin Nabanja kandi nagira ngu bamwenemu bwesige buhango.
To ask you humbly to extend our sincere appreciation to His Excellency the President for the appointment of Right Honorable Robin Nabanja as Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda for 2026-2031 term. This is a great honor to a region that has always been the bedrock of the national resistance movement in this country.
Gashakwa Onesimus Triahawe Ahawatera West Omar Kampala.